Welcome to my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. Today I am making rainbow cookies, so let's get started. We will need 125 milliliters of caster sugar, 125 milliliters of fine coconut, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, also called cake flour, 1 large egg beaten up, 125 grams of margarine or butter, a pinch of salt. For decorative purposes, we will need these sprinkles, which is called hundreds and thousands. And we will also need spray and cook, a big mixing bowl, a rolling pin, and a baking sheet pan. We also need half a teaspoon of lemon essence and a large star cookie cutter to cut out our cookies in. Let's begin by adding in our butter or margarine. Then we are going to add our half a cup of caster sugar, which is extra refined sugar. Now, with an electric cake mixer, I am going to cream them up until it's nice and smooth. Okay, so the margarine or butter and the caster sugar has been creamed well. We can add in our other wet ingredient, which is our 1 beaten egg. We can add in our lemon essence and use them and mix it all together again. Once it gets to this consistency, you can add in your dry ingredients. Add a pinch of salt, your cup of all-purpose or cake flour, and let's mix it in to the mixture. Let us add in our extra fine coconut, also called desiccated coconut, and we're going to fold it in to the mixture. At this stage, the cookie mixture is very, very soft. So we just want to blend it in. The cookie mixture is very, very soft. In order for me to roll it out, I'm going to need extra all-purpose flour to get it into a nice consistency in order to roll it up and prevent it from sticking. So I'm going to use my measuring cup, and I'm going to put at least a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour once more and see if we can make it a little bit drier. You can judge for yourself if the mixture is right for rolling it out, or if it's still a little too sticky. You add a little bit flour at a time, and once it dries out a bit, you can go ahead and roll it out. So I'm going to add a little bit more. Let's add another 1/4. So in all, we're going to add a half a cup extra of all-purpose flour to the recipe. Okay, so from now, I have to use my fingers to put it on the surface of the table and roll it out. So let's begin. Using my fingers, let's see if the dough comes out fine. The cookie dough. So it is still very soft, but that's fine. We are going to add more flour to it when we are rolling it out. So it should come fine then. We knead the dough with both hands and then put it on a board or on a surface of a table and roll it out with a rolling pin. Using a clean towel, tea towel, wipe your surface of the area of your table you are going to be using, and then let's put the cookie dough onto the surface of the table. I'm going to lightly flour my surface area, and now we begin kneading the dough more. And we get it into the consistency it's needed for rolling. With your rolling pin, begin rolling out your cookie dough. With a cookie cutter, we will cut up our shapes. Using cook and bake spray, we will lightly spray the baking sheet. Now let's add our cookies. Okay, so that's the first tray of the cut out cookies. Let's put in the sprinkles now. So with a teaspoon, gently press them into the cookies. Not too much, about half a teaspoon or so of them. And the multicolors give you the rainbow effect. So this is how our rainbow cookies look before it's put into the oven. The rainbow cookies need to be baked for 10 to 15 minutes, and you have to preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius. And when the oven light goes off, then you can put in your rainbow cookies to bake. Let's put in the cookies to bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's take out the first batch of the rainbow cookies. It's 15 minutes and let's have a look at them. So that's how the first batch of the rainbow cookies look. They look absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I've just removed the third and last batch out of the oven. So these are the rainbow cookies. They make about plus minus 3 dozen cookies, about 36 cookies. Nothing tastes more wonderful than a warm cookie fresh out of the oven. So let's see how it goes. Yummy! So if you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye!